It is a well-known fact that engaging in regular sport is one of the most efficient ways to maintain a healthy lifestyle. While many people start exercising simply to lose weight or build muscle, the benefits are actually much broader. Physical activity is a powerful tool for mental health because it helps to reduce stress and anxiety. When we are physically active, our brain releases feel-good chemicals called endorphins, which provide a natural boost to our mood. Sports are generally categorized into two types: team-based and individual. Team sports such as volleyball or rugby are excellent for developing social skills and learning how to cooperate with others under pressure. In contrast, individual sports like gymnastics or martial arts require a high level of personal discipline and focus. Regardless of which type you choose, playing a sport encourages a healthy sense of competition and helps individuals set and achieve personal goals. From a physiological perspective, sport strengthens the cardiovascular system and increases overall endurance. This means that the more you train, the more efficient your heart and lungs become at delivering oxygen to your muscles. This is why professional athletes spend so much time on stamina training. It allows them to perform at a high level for longer periods without becoming exhausted. Furthermore, regular movement improves flexibility and balance, which are essential for preventing injuries as we get older. However, it is important to approach sport with a balanced mindset. Overtraining can lead to physical exhaustion or serious strains, so listening to your body is crucial. A proper routine should always include a thorough warm-up and a cool-down period to help the muscles recover. Additionally, nutrition plays a vital role in performance. To perform your best, you need to provide your body with the right fuel and ensure you stay hydrated throughout your workout. Ultimately, sport is about finding an activity you enjoy so that staying healthy becomes a permanent part of your life.